cheesy garlic bread. For the dough, add 1 teaspoon active dry yeast to 1/3 cup lukewarm milk. Mix and let it proof for 5 to 10 minutes. To a bowl, add 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and mix. Add improved yeast mix and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix and knead to a firm, smooth dough. Add 1 to 2 tablespoon milk if needed. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until doubled in size. For garlic butter, melt 1/4 cup butter. Add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon paprika powder, chili flakes, dried basil leaves, oregano or marjoram leaves, fresh parsley or coriander leaves. Mix and refrigerate for a few minutes so the butter will be soft and spreadable. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out the raisin dough into a circle. Spread the garlic butter generously over the surface, leaving the edges clean for easier sealing. Reserve some garlic butter for brushing on top of the bread. Add mozzarella cheese, toppings, olives, and pickled jalapenos. More mozzarella cheese. Fold and close. Seal them properly. Spread the reserved garlic butter on top. Place in a baking tray. Using a knife, gently mark lines across the top of the bread. Add more mozzarella and toppings. Bake in the preheated oven or air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. For extra cheesiness, add a final layer of mozzarella on top and return to the oven for a few more minutes until the cheese is melted and stretchy. Garnish with finely chopped parsley or coriander. A different shape. Fold in half. Make slits as shown. Refrigerate garlic butter for a few minutes to make it soft and spreadable. This cheesy garlic bread is soft, buttery, and filled with melty mozzarella, flavored with garlic and herbs. It's baked to golden perfection. Warm, comforting, and delicious in every bite. Once baked, if there's melted butter in the tray, tilt it slightly to let the butter soak into the hot bread for extra flavor. Serve with pasta, soup, or enjoy as a snack with a cup of chai.